Hey guys, Beck here with a bit of a happy video for you this morning. It's only early. I've come out to find this bird in my tree. Isn't she beautiful? Wonder if I can get her down. Yeah, this bird's in my tree. Look at it. It's an amazing bird. See if we can get it. Oh, there's a big crow out here. Get away, crow. Sugar. Hey, bird. Hey. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come with me. Don't fly away. You'll be fine. Are you lost? Hang on, I'll get a stick. I just heard this bird. Hey, baby. Jump on. No, jump on, baby. Jump on, go on. Go on, bird. Jump on. Jump on, birdie. That big crow's gonna get you. Come here. Get on. Get on. Get on. Oh, look, I've got it. Look, I've got the bird. Ah, this is awesome. There's a big crow out there. Don't you know? There's a big crow. Wow, what a beautiful bird. Now you can go inside where you belong. She comes out every day. This is Curry. And I did just see that crow around, so I thought I'd get her. And I thought, I've never shown you guys before Curry. She's my outside bird. She, excuse my voice, guys, she comes in and out. I'm just getting over laryngitis. She comes in and out. What are you eating? Something red. Don't bite me. Nope, time to go inside. Off you go. Off you go. Off the stick. Off. All right. And that's Curry. Have a nice day.